Okay, so good morning students. In the previous video, I have already discussed the first format of the notice writing. Okay, so I hope you have understood that. So in this video, we will discuss about the second format of the notice writing. Okay, so we will start with format 2. Okay, same question. For format 1, write your school is organizing an inter-school dance competition. Write a notice for your school informing the students about the event. Okay, so in this format, what we will do, in the earlier format, what we have done, we have written the entire thing in the middle of the page. Okay, for example, this is the page and we have written it the beginning in the middle of the page. But here in this format, second format, we will not write in the middle of the page. We will start from beside the margin. Okay, so from beside the margin, what was our catchy headline? Put on, this will be in capital letter, put on your dancing shoes. Okay, this was the catchy headline if you remember in the first format. Then in the next line we will write inter-school dance competition. Okay, then in the first format, what we have seen, that after inter-school dance competition, the date, time and venue, we have written it as on, from, at. On, after on we have written the time, after on we have written the date on which the dance competition will be held, after from we have written the time, and after at we have written the venue. But here what we will do, here we will mention like this, time, colon dash, then we will write the time 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Sorry, first there will be date. First there will be date. So date was 8th May 2021. Then there will be time 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Then there will be venue. Auditorium, Deepal School. Okay, and then the body as we have written from beside the margin. All the students who wish to participate in this event must give their names to the cultural secretary I think there the date was 10th May, no? On or before 8th May 2021. Okay, and here also the entire thing will be in box. With ruler and pencil you will be drawing this box. Okay, so same thing, same body, same thing, only the format has changed. Okay, so 2 formats I have discussed. You can follow any one of the formats which you feel easy to follow. Okay, so I think the 2 formats of the notice writing are clear. So you have to practice more and more on different topics of the notice in order to gain expertise on it. Okay, thank you.